We're gonna miss you, dude.
Bye-bye.
What's up, beautiful people? It's been a beautiful last few days in gorgeous Northern California. We've been hanging out with my dad at his place, kind of wrecking it out and making ourselves at home with the goats and everybody. But it's sadly time to go, so we're heading down to Southern California today. We're going to be staying in LA for the next couple of days. Got some meetings and things down there. But on the way down, we're stopping off somewhere really special. We're going to actually go by all the places that we stayed and all the places that Lincoln had his brain surgeries 4 years ago, and just kind of revisiting all that, showing the other kids because they didn't get to be a part of that. So it's gonna kind of be bittersweet and very nostalgic in a lot of ways, but we're really excited about it. It's gonna be a good day.
Good morning, beautiful people. As Steven told you, we just left.
He's excited. He knows exactly where we are.
We've just left Steven's dad's house in Santa Rosa, where we had an amazing time, and we are making our way down to LA, but we are stopping here in Palo Alto because this is where Lincoln had his brain surgeries almost 4 years ago.
I spent one of the weeks. You spent both weeks here.
2 weeks, yeah, 2.5 weeks.
But even
3.
with that, like, it feels, because it was such a massively important season of life, like it just feels like everything is so familiar and so nostalgic. So.
I know, and so we were driving right through it, and my aunt and uncle live here, which we stayed with them after Lincoln's spinal brain surgeries before he was healthy enough to, you hear him sneeze, before he was healthy enough to fly home.
You always like the blues notes, don't you, Lincoln?
I'm really excited that we get to see them for a little bit, have some lunch, and to probably be able to go see like the hospital and just a couple of the places where we spent a lot of time
maybe
here.
The Tin Pot Creamery.
Some ice cream,
maybe the Blue Bottle Coffee. Maybe the Shake Shack.
So are you guys hungry?
Yeah.
Are you hungry for Shake Shack though?
Yes.
Yeah, they've got a Shake Shack here, so we're gonna go in, meet them, and eat some lunch, and just have a really wonderful time.
Ready, Boogie Bear? Are you ready to go get some Shake Shack?
We're hungry. Yay.
You ready for some Shake Shack hamburgers?
High five, Linky.
Yeah.
High five. Oh, a kiss is good too. That's sweet.
So happy right now.
I know. Yeah. Yeah. It's like, I'm gonna get a burger. That's yummy.
You want a burger or cheese fries?
Or both. Did you enjoy your lunch?
You can tell.
Yeah, he did.
More on his shirt than in his mouth, but it works.
Here, and Steven got it for me. All right, let's see. Coconut ice cream with sticky rice and mango.
Yeah. It's like
I really like it. It does taste like what you get at the Thai restaurant, like the sticky rice with mango.
It's good.
The coconut ice cream, that was like a really nice flavor to go with it. It makes it kind of creamy.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
What you think, buddy?
He's got it all over his
You like that ice cream? We used to come here when we were here. We would come here a lot, and it put him in an automatically good mood. It put us in an automatically good mood too, because
we are happy when we have ice cream.
Pretty turbulent couple of weeks. But you want that? I don't think I could eat it backwards like that guy.
Sharing? Yeah.
You're so silly. Oh, okay.
We discovered this place, I think it was a day or two before his brain surgery.
Yes.
And came here, just enjoyed a treat together.
Yeah.
And it was so special, and I always think about that moment and just kind of that feeling of calm right before like something really big.
Yeah.
And so I always remember it. It's such a sweet memory. So I'm glad that we were able to come back here and bring the kids. Even if it's just ice cream, but it's like really special and sentimental. Lincoln's clearly enjoying it.
Excited, man, huh?
Aren't you?
Hi, Lincoln.
You've come a long way, huh, buddy?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Doing the airplane into your mouth. Yeah, guys.
Everybody come see how good I am at airplane included in my mouth.
No, I'm okay.
Liam had the same one, buddy.
As soon as you try to take a bite, he's gonna put it in his own mouth. He's like, are you gonna take the bait? Are you gonna take the bait?
He does that with Jude all the time. He puts it almost up into his mouth.
He's like, let's go, Mom. Do you remember staying here, buddy?
Yeah.
Do you remember when we'd stay here?
We took a picture with this guy right after surgeries. Come here.
Wow!
Yeah.
Yeah, he's so excited. So we are here at the Ronald McDonald House, just across the street from the Lucille Packard Hospital where he had his brain surgeries. This is where we lived basically for 2 weeks, or I lived here for a week. You lived here for 2 weeks. They were the nicest people. It was such an amazing experience for us to be able to be taken care of and not have to worry about hotels and bills and all of the stuff that we had to worry about while we were here.
We are having some breakfast here at the little community kitchen here at the Ronald McDonald House that we're staying at. It's right across the street from the hospital. And we're drinking some kombucha, and he's like really excited that I let him have some.
They let him come home after just a couple of days from his brain surgeries, and we got to rest here at the Ronald McDonald House, which was so amazing to be in like a home type setting. And I remember we took a picture right here with this guy like right after his brain surgeries, and so we thought it'd be kind of cute to take another picture here like almost 4 years later. Yeah. Just like kind of before and after.
It's so cool, man.
So we're making a quick stop now over at the hospital where Lincoln had his surgeries. I remember after Lincoln was discharged from his second surgery and Stephen had gone back to be with the kids, and we were able to go back to the Ronald McDonald House for a few days while he was resting. And I just remember coming out those doors there with Lincoln in the stroller and just walking down this sidewalk all the way into the Ronald McDonald House, and that feeling of him being done with both surgeries and having been doing well. I don't know if I've ever felt like that, just free and just over the moon excited, because I had gone through something really, really hard with our little guy, and we'd come off the other side of it and he was okay and he was doing well, and I was just so grateful. And I was like, I had tears like streaming down my face as I was walking down that sidewalk with him. I was just like thanking God so much that he got us through it. And so it's just really special to be able, I'm gonna like totally cry.
It was just emotional thing.
It was one of the hardest things we've ever been through, to like put your baby in somebody else's hands, knowing that they're going to be having to open up his body.
Not just his body, his brain.
Especially, I feel like the brain is like, it's a scary thing, you know, like that's really a big deal. So, and it's just amazing because when he came back for his 6 month checkup, when he came back for his 6 month checkup, They took some scans to see how successful the surgery was, because they were trying to improve the blood flow to his brain, because he had, it was like really shriveled up, and he was having strokes because he was not getting enough blood flow to his brain. And so when they took those scans, it said on the one side of his brain, it was a 100% restoration. Yeah, and on the other side, it was like 97%. And so for that, they were saying like we could not have asked for anything better. It was just incredible. And obviously he's doing so well now. He like literally is jumping on his brothers and climbing all over everybody, and just, I mean, he's thriving. Unreal, so man.
I called the doctor, the surgeon, the brain surgeon in his office to ask if we could swing by and maybe take a picture with him. Yeah. He's got like 3 surgeries he's doing today, but he said if he's in between surgeries that he could maybe come out and see Lincoln and see him, you know.
It would be incredible. I understand he's so busy, so I'm not expecting.
He's like the most prestigious brain surgeon in his field out there, so it would be a huge honor if he can, but we're not necessarily getting our hopes up. So. Yeah,
but either way, we're just going to swing by the hospital really quickly and just kind of walk around the lobby. They said that's fine. Yeah. Just to kind of show the kids like where we spent, you know, so many weeks of our lives there, and just something that was so important and special for our family. So I think it'll be cool just to kind of show the kids real quickly, and then we're going to head back down to LA, because we're going to be spending a few days there and have some fun stuff planned as well.
Yeah. It's crazy. The last time we walked through these doors, we didn't know if he would ever walk, you know?
It's our nap time, and we are really tired. We had some breakfast, and he's like, he's becoming more active, which is a good sign. So I'm leaning up here. Look at that, on your knees. Strong boy, baby. We gotta get you well so you can leave the hospital. Look who is discharged from the hospital. Yay, Lincoln! We just got to put our clothes on and get out of the crib, and it's time to go bye-bye. Are you excited, Linky?
We are so excited. We have a few more days of resting and a follow-up appointment, and then we get to fly home. But we get to leave the hospital right now, and we're super excited. So let's get out of here. Let's go. You ready to go, Linky? We're ready to go.
So much for he'll never be able to walk. Oh my gosh. Oh.
It's so beautiful. So we're making our way down Highway 1 down to LA.
It's the most beautiful drive in the planet, maybe, but definitely in the United States.
It's hard to capture it on camera, but we've been stopping and letting the kids get out and see the view because it's just
unreal, man.
So beautiful. This is also where we went the day before Lincoln's brain surgeries, and we had a family day together.
Yes.
And so it's really cool that we get to bring all the kids back here and just enjoy a beautiful drive down to LA.
So amazing.
It's a great way to end the day, especially as the sun's starting to kind of go down. Like, it's not quite sunset, but it's getting close. It's just beautiful.
It's amazing.
Okay, we're taking one more quick stop because Steven wants to pull out the drone here. This is absolutely gorgeous, so he's gonna get a few shots with his drone, which is really fun. Can you see it on there? Look at that, guys.
I'll show them.
You'll show them the real footage, but I just want to show you in your element because you're having so much fun with your drone lately, so that's pretty cool.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back